Hi friends, this video shows how to fix all Bluetooth related issues. Bluetooth not working, not pairing or connecting, all these issues. Please don't forget to subscribe this channel. Please like and share the video. First go to settings. Tap on the settings app icon. Go down. Go to general management. Tap here. Go down. Go to reset. Tap here. Go down. Go to reset Wi-Fi and Bluetooth settings. Tap here. See the message. This will reset all your Wi-Fi and Bluetooth settings. Tap on this reset settings button. See the message Wi-Fi and Bluetooth settings reset. This reset operation is safe. It will not delete any data from your phone. It just reset only the Wi-Fi and Bluetooth settings. After this reset operation, you can go back, then try to pair a new Bluetooth device. That should work. So this way we can reset Bluetooth settings and fix all Bluetooth related issues. I hope you have enjoyed this video. Please subscribe this channel. Please like and share the video.